Hello student, this is the review for your study test about making sound. Let's start now. Human can make some sound. Human making sound by screaming, talking, louding, singing, and crying. Lips is used to talk and whistle. Hand is used to clap and snap. Feet is used to stomp. Now we talk about animals. Animals making sound to communicate and warn of danger. For example, meerkat squeak, lion roar, elephant trumpet, cat meow, and cow moo. Non-living things that produce sounds, for example, alarm clock, siren, bicycle bell, mobile phone, radio, TV, music instrument, train, bus, and airplane. Let's continue the use of sounds. First, to alert us to danger. Second, to get attention. Third, to communicate. Fourth, to make us happy. We can hear sounds when the sounds travel into our ears. Look at the picture. Sounds which are loud and unpleasant are called with noises. Sounds are divided into two, soft sound and loud sound. Soft sound, for example, bike, insect or bird, and whispering. Loud sounds, for example, siren, wolf, lion, elephant, crying and screaming. Sounds change as we move. When we are close to the source of sound, the sounds are loud. When we are far to the source of sound, the sounds are soft. I hope this video will help you study for your daily test. Good luck and see you on the next video.